My name is Sweetie. I'm 10 years old. I live in the Philippines. Every day, I have to sit in front of the webcam and talk to men, just like tens of thousands of other kids. The men ask me to take off my clothes. They play with themselves. They want me to play with myself. As soon as I go online, they come to me. 10, 100, every hour. But what they don't know, I'm not real. I'm a computer model, made piece by piece to track down these men who do this.
Webcam child sex tourism is a new phenomenon that's spreading like an epidemic. Men from rich countries pay children in poor countries to perform sexual acts in front of webcams. These crimes happen tens of thousands of times each day. The UN and the FBI estimate that 750,000 pedophiles are online at any given moment. We estimate that tens of thousands of kids, some of them only 6 years old, are abused behind cams in the Philippines alone. But instead of hundreds of thousands of convictions, we could only find 6 men who have ever been charged. Our solution? Proactive policing. To stop predators, we need to patrol the websites where they commit these crimes and catch them in the act. We went undercover posing as a 10-year-old Filipino girl on public chat rooms. Sweetie is a computer model we created to look and move like a real girl.
I'm not real.
Men think she's sitting in front of a webcam in the Philippines, but actually, we were operating her from a warehouse in the capital of the Netherlands. In just 10 weeks, we identified 1,000 predators from 71 countries. To raise global awareness and to pressure governments to act, we invited the world press to The Hague for one of the biggest child sex abuse cases in recent history. Instantly, Sweetie became world news.
This is CNN.
Webcam sex tourism.
The names of 46 Australians have been handed to international police.
Investigators tracked down their addresses and photos and handed them over to Interpol.
She is the weapon against online sex tourism.
Para ver a menores en situaciones sexuales.
Tens of thousands.
1000 mannen worden ontmaskerd.
I'm of course very happy for Terresams that they have made this case.
Virtual yang bernama Sweetie.
على الإنترنت.
Sweetie es etapa por la pederastia en todo el mundo de pedófilos. Esta fue una iniciativa de Holanda, ¿no?
Es mi Sweetie.
Basta.
Por cámara.
Vieze mannen.
I'm not real.
Ich bin nicht echt.
1 billion people have seen the Sweetie campaign. Webcam child sex tourism is now a globally recognized problem. But what we're most proud of, predators are being stopped.
17 people from Britain have been arrested.
And children are being saved.
Around 15 children aged 6 to 15 were rescued